If you run a small business today, you're probably using tech all the time. You're taking credit card payments, sending emails, storing customer info, maybe using cloud software to manage your bookings or your invoices. That's great. But it also opens you up to a whole new category of risks, like hackers. This is where cyber liability insurance comes in. In this video from ERGO Next Insurance, we'll break down what cyber liability insurance is, what it can cover, who needs it, and how to get it. Let's dive in. What is cyber liability insurance? Cyber insurance helps protect your business from the financial fallout of cyber attacks, data breaches, ransomware, phishing scams, basically the bad stuff that can happen when criminals target your tech. Let's say a hacker breaks into your system and steals your customers' credit card numbers, or an employee clicks on a phishing email and accidentally gives a scammer access to your files. Or you wake up one morning and all your data is locked with a ransomware note on the screen. These things happen to small businesses all the time. If you think, I'm too small to be hacked, that's just not true. Hackers often target small businesses specifically because they know their systems might not be as strong or secure as larger companies. If these attacks happen, the costs can add up fast. Investigations, legal fees, notifying customers, lost income while your systems are down. Cyber liability insurance can help cover these costs so one bad day doesn't sink your business. What can cyber liability insurance cover? All right, let's get into what the coverage can actually do for you. There are 5 main areas. Number 1, data breach costs. If customer data gets stolen or leaked, names, credit cards, addresses, you're gonna have some bills. Cyber liability insurance can help pay for IT forensic investigations, legal support, notifying your customers, and even credit card monitoring services for the people affected. Number 2, ransomware and cyber extortion. Imagine you're a consultant, and one day your computer locks up. A message pops up demanding $10,000 in Bitcoin, or you'll never see your files again. Sadly, this happens quite a bit. Cyber liability coverage may help pay for negotiation costs, and in some cases, even the ransom itself, plus the cost of restoring your systems afterwards. Number 3, business interruption. Let's say you run a restaurant, and a cyber attack takes down your point of sale system. You can't process orders, you can't take payment. You're basically closed. Cyber liability insurance could help replace that lost income and cover the extra expenses you need to get back up and running. Number 4, legal and regulatory defense. If customers or regulators come after you because of a breach, this coverage can help pay for legal defense, settlements, and even some regulatory penalties. And number 5, reputation support. A data breach can cause serious harm to your reputation. If you need to hire a PR firm to help manage the fallout and protect your brand, cyber liability coverage may help with that too. What does cyber liability insurance not cover? Cyber liability insurance is powerful, but it's not a magic shield. Here are some examples of things it typically does not cover. First, physical damage or bodily injuries. If someone gets hurt or your building gets damaged, that's what general liability or commercial property insurance is for. Second, intentional wrongdoing. If you or an employee directly causes a cyber incident, that's not going to be covered. Third, incidents you already knew about. If something happened before your policy started and you knew about it, don't expect the insurance to help. And fourth, some big picture stuff, like state-sponsored cyber attacks, mass global outages, or failing to meet certain security standards. These are typically excluded. So cyber liability works alongside your other policies, not instead of them. Who needs cyber liability insurance? Here's the simple test. Do you use technology in your business? Do you store customer information? Do you accept credit card payments? If you answered yes to any of those, and let's be honest, that's almost every business today, you could benefit from cyber coverage. Some industries face even higher risk. If you're a consultant or an accountant handling sensitive client data, you're a target. If you run a retail store or e-commerce site processing payments, hackers would love to get into your systems. And if you're a restaurant relying on digital POS systems, one attack could shut you down instantly. The bottom line, if your business runs on technology, cyber liability insurance is worth serious consideration. How to get cyber liability insurance? The good news is, getting covered is easy. Head over to nextinsurance.com, answer a few questions about your business, and in about 10 minutes, you can get a quote. You can add cyber liability coverage to your general liability policy or your business owner's policy. Coverage can start immediately, and you can manage everything online, including downloading your certificate of insurance whenever you need it. It's fast, easy, and it helps you get back to what you do best: running your business. If this video helped you understand cyber liability insurance, hit that like button and subscribe for more small business tips. See you in the next one.